So guys, today we're going to unbox this Landberg 10-inch server rack. We see what's in the box. We then try to assemble it, see how sturdy it is, how the quality of the build, and probably see some accessories because I have in other box some patch panels, switches, and other accessories. So stay tuned. Okay, let's see what's inside. I bought it in Allegro for probably around 40 euro. No. One strap, second strap. And let's see. What it's hiding around the corner. Yes, perfectly well. This is probably the part list. And the instruction manual. Okay. Maybe it's a back plate. Probably side panel. Acrylic door protected. We need to put it carefully somewhere. Another side plate probably. A lot of screws and even wall mounts probably. Top and bottom panels are here also, with additional 120mm fan mount. We also have the fan bot with the thermostat for rack to cool. It's really important if you have all the doors in the rack are closed to your electronics not to overheat, so we will mount the fan. And probably the mounting brackets inside. So that's it. Nothing more. Okay. Instruction is kinda clear, so that should not be a problem to assemble it. Okay, firstly we need to get the acrylic front door and where the door? Sorry, the door is here. Yeah, we need to mount the locking mechanism. Say. Oh, so much stuff. Okay. So this is the key to lock your server rack, and we need to mount this locking mechanism in the glass panel. Yeah. And also we have a lot of accessories for the rack. So as you can see, we have like the power cord for 10-inch racks. Also the Landberg, made from Landberg. We'll mount them later for a client. I'm only showing the products. I know I got two just to make sure that I can plug everything and look good. Also I bought the 120 millimeters server fan, but it's kinda thick. I don't know, I didn't think it will be so thick, so probably will be no problem to mount it, but still it's kinda thick. Now it's probably like 4 centimeters of thickness, so that's some solid fan. And also the controller for the fan with the thermostat. Thermostat is also rack mounted. You can mount it to the rack and you set the temperature. When the fan will kick in, just to cool the rack, to dissipate heat. So good addition, I think. Also, what we have patch panel. To make it clean built. So we also have the patch panel. Also for 10-inch rack, for 12 ports, Cat 6. Everything should be good, I think. Will be clean built. Additional ports will be left, so if client will need, he can connect another cables to have in patch panel. So patch panel is good. Also, what we have, probably some trays. Yeah, it's one tray for holding some stuff. 10-inch tray to put some maybe routers or switches that are not rack mounted, because there's as I remember, there was one switch, small TP-Link switch, 8 ports, and also the Wi-Fi router for the basement. So what we have here, oh, let's see, another tray, probably a bit wider, not wider but deeper. To compare with this one is smaller. You can see. So if we measure them, this one is 20 centimeters or 8-inch deep. The bigger one, and this one, the smaller one, is 15 centimeters, 6-inch. So yeah, I know. I just thought maybe one bigger, one smaller, and we will see. Somehow we will gonna use it. Yeah, so probably another tray, the same length. Yeah, same tray. And what we have here, probably a switch, because there is not only 8-port switch that are not rack mounted already in the premises for the client that we were going to install this rack. So I bought additional switch, rack mounted, for it to look good, clean built. So was not so expensive. Well, it's of course it's more expensive than regular switch for 8 ports. Let's say probably like 50 or 60 euro, and you can buy probably regular ones for 20 euro or more, maybe more a bit. But still, this one it just looks better. If you have the rack, you should use rack stuff. So there is power cord, power plug. So yeah, looks good. And of course the bunch of Cat 6 cables that I'm not going to show. So as you can see, our build was very successful. The rack is really strong. The metal sheets are no thickness is for 10-inch rack is plenty and enough. As you can see, there's a fan, 120mm fan mount. We're gonna mount the fan here. Landberg logo. Looks really great. The thickness of the glass is probably like 2-3 millimeters. I give it. Can even measure probably. Like, oh well, it's probably even like 5mm thick, so it's very strong. Yeah, I really like this case. And let's see the dimensions of it, because there's on the internet it's like not very clear what the real dimensions of the box. So let's check. So for the dimensions, for the wide width, it's like 28.3.4 centimeters or 11 and a bit inch. For the depth is with the glass door, it's 38 centimeters or 12 and maybe a bit 12 and a bit more inch. And for the height, a bit harder to measure with one hand. And the height is 46 centimeters or 18 and a half almost. It's not in half. 18 point. No, I'm not American, so it's harder in inch, but you get the point. So, as you can see, the rack build was successful, so we're going to install it on our client in the next video. So stay tuned, leave a like, have a comment, subscribe to help grow this channel, and we will have some interesting videos soon, so stay tuned.
Yeah, boy. Oh, yeah. Perfect. I know. Maybe I forgot to screw those up. Damn.